Hey guys, in this video we are learning how to build a style sheet. This is one of the most important parts when it comes to build a personal brand. You have right now your name. You have the story you want to tell. And now you need to start to build something around it. A kind of styling, a kind of brand. And when it comes to styling or branding, then it's much more than a logo. It's the feeling you have about something. Tell me, what do you feel about Coca-Cola? Tell me, what do you feel about Nike? Or tell me, what do you think about Louis Vuitton? Or what do you feel about it? Okay? These brands created something around their brand which creates a feeling, okay? And you need to do the same. You need to think about when you set up your style sheet, what do I want to put out? What do I want to represent? Is it coolness? Is it seriousness? Is it fun? Is it something very serious, you know? You need to know what you want to deliver to the consumer. And that's the point where the style sheet comes into play. Okay? We have different points where we need to take care of. I have as well embedded the style sheet down of the page so you can implement that in your business. Use your own stuff, play around, maybe search somebody who is talented in graphics who can help you with it. Okay? But this is a very important part to build all the next steps in your personal brand. Okay? Point number 1, fonts. Fonts are styles how to write something. Okay? So each letter or each writing you see has a different font. As example, Apple has their own font, Microsoft has a different style, and you need to understand that fonts are key when it comes to styling, etc. So you need to think about what are the fonts I want to use. I will implement down on the page some links and some tools where you can search after fonts and play around. And you need to find something which is matching your brand. Which is, as example, some fonts are like cool, some fonts are more serious, and you need to find what is matching for you, because this will represent your brand. And everything what you do, from stylings in the video, from, I don't know, writings on your webpage, you will do it in this style. It's called UI, UX, okay, user interface, user experience, where people will, or what people first will see, and it's very important to build that in a cool, in an authentic way, where you feel like, wow, that's my brand. That's what I want to represent, okay? And you need to think about, okay, what do you want to represent? Is it serious, coolness? Is it like, I don't know, fun, whatever? You need to think about it, okay? Part number 1, fonts. Part number 2, colors. Think about what for colors do you want to use. And there are as well tools to choose the right colors. You need to think about what do you want to represent. Each color has a different meaning, psychologically a different meaning, okay? You need to do some research about it. I will implement as well some documents down in the video, which you can download. And it's very important to be aware of, okay, do I use blue? Do I want to use red, which is more aggressive? Do I want to use green, which is more calm? Okay, you need to think about it. What for colors do you want to use? And like color, we call it color patterns, okay? So that you have, as example, with blue is white matching. With green, there is maybe another color matching. So you think about it, okay, what is matching, and bring everything together. So you see, your brand gets now step-by-step built. You have the font, you have the colors, and now when you bring both together, you see, will it match or will it not match? Okay? Check that out. Very important. Point number 2, colors. Point number 3, when you have these 2 types, then you move forward to the logo. You will start to create your own logo. You think about it. Okay, what do I want in my logo? You already have chosen your name. You already have chosen maybe your emoji. And now with all this together, You go to a graphic designer and say, hey, look, I have my personal brand. I launched this and I want this and this and this with these colors. You have already an idea. Don't go out and just create a logo like, oh yeah, today I want the logo, and the people start. Go out with a plan, okay? Because it costs money when you want to do that. Or you have a friend or somebody you know who is already in this business and who can help you, and he do all the graph works for you. And maybe he do it when we start out for free, and then at another point where you start to make money, you start to pay him. Okay? Or you give him a little share of the business. We talk about this in the power team. Very important point, key, build your logo in the right way with somebody together who is experienced. I would not recommend to you to use this. For me personally, they are kind of, I don't know, like a little bit shitty, like this logo generators on the internet. Most times, there's not something very cool comes out. So try to find somebody who can help you there, make maybe some brainstormings for you, and then when you got that, you move forward to the next step. We see us, bye.